CSS interview. CSS interview tips. Before going to an interview, at least 5 days before, cutting your haircut in those style which suits you. Buy a new cloth pair and try at least one time and show to your house members to confirm it's suit on you or not. Choose those cloth in which you feel comfortable, especially for female. For female candidates, not wear too much jewelry. You are going for an interview, not for a wedding ceremony. Do light makeup. Keep smile on your face. Keep tissue with you. At interview day, pray to Nafal for your success. Be confident. Be relaxed. Do not be hesitate. Go to for an interview with full determination and confidence. Interview room. Get permission to be entered into room from the panel, interviewers. After getting permission, go inside and stand at the right side of the chair and say Assalamu alaikum. After getting permission, say thank you and sit on the chair and wait for question. Before answering a question, wait for at least 4 to 5 seconds and tell point-to-point answer. If you don't know the answer, say sorry. Interview room, continued. If someone asks you negative question, answer positive. If panel laughs, you have to just pass a little smile, don't be laugh. Don't be free with panel. Who ask a question from you, build eye contact from him, not to all panel, and answer politely. Don't use guess and extra words to give ans. Give short and positive authentic answer. Don't create funny atmosphere with them. Keep confidence in your eyes. If you will lose your confidence, you will lose your aim. After finishing the interview. After finishing the interview, stand on the right side on the chair, and say Assalamu alaikum and go to the door with politely walk. After closing the door, be mature because a hidden camera is watching your behavior before coming to the room or after going from the room. Some important interview questions. Number 1. Tell me about yourself. Number 2. Why did you leave your last job? Number 3. What experience do you have in this field? Number 4. Tell me about your weaknesses. Number 5. How would your friends and family describe you as a person? Number 6. What do you know about this organization? Number 7. What have you done to improve yourself in the last year? Number 8. Are you applying for other jobs? Number 9. Why do you want to work for this organization? Number 10. What kind of supervision brings out the best in you? youtube.com/codecomplex. I hope it will help you. Subscribe, like, comment, share with friends. You can watch other CSS Pakistan videos on our channel. CSS interview.